Zombie apocalypse.
So it looks like no matter how many different ways I try it, it looks like oh wow, I messed up there. It looks like they actually split, got rid of the Genji ledge tech. And if you don't know what that is, it used to be a jump that would allow you to project yourself basically with the velocity of the swift strike. So you would go that fast over a set distance. And it's probably, well, I never even did it in one of my videos, so, but it's basically drop down, and I can't even freaking get it right to do it to even show you what would happen. So there is a little lift to show you that you're like kind of doing it the right way, but it's not going to get you far. Like, it's like a small little jump at the end of that. And usually on live that would shoot me way over there, but it's just not happening anymore. And I'm just like I just don't understand what the reasoning is behind it. Behind taking that out is, I guess I don't know, man. It wasn't. Oh yeah, you see how there's kind of like it kind of pushes you forward a little bit, but nothing really happens, and I just don't understand why they keep going after Genji. I don't like I get it though. This is gonna push people who are just needed that little extra push on Genji to like go to Sombra now, right? Like if Genji doesn't have this edge tech boost, I still have to be able to get into that first point on Hanamura. I still have to get there somehow. Maybe I can just start playing Pharah now, or maybe I can start playing Sombra. And I get it, but so like it makes him less of this all-purpose assassin, but he's not even really an assassin anymore because they changed around his kit so much. But I guess I don't know. Like, you can still kill Widowmaker really fast, and yep, it just doesn't work anymore. So I'm just gonna cut this here, and then we're gonna go hop into some Symmetra gameplay, and I'll just see you in a second. Oh! Ooh, feels good, guys. It's got Symmetra. Alright, so we're going to be playing some Symmetra. I'm going to be focused on... Alright, so my thought process is, let's get the teleporter first to get people back, right? And when the teleporter is destroyed, then I'll put down the shield generator. My thought process is I can put this... right here, right? And it should hold up at the choke. Not sure. Well, we're gonna test, because if it doesn't work, it's just like a big waste, but it does work. Oh, and they updated the icon. Before it looked like the old shields, but now if you see down in the bottom right corner, the F, it looks like a better icon. Alright. Whoa, F you guys, what's going on? I don't know the range, but it seems pretty huge. Spawn. Generating spawn, and it still worked. Oh, that... Wait, what was that? Oh. Where you going, baby girl? Where are you going?
Central turret placed.
We're gonna send one of these bad boys out. We're gonna go straight for Mercy. No, I'm just kidding. This was a bad idea. Jump to the right, to the left, wait for the shield to regenerate, drop down. Haha, can't get me, fool. Thank you. Oh, snap. Whoa, okay. The other Symmetra wanted us there. Whoa, what did he just, what?
I will correct first. My ultimate is charging.
Yeah, I didn't see her, and I was already taking damage from 2 energy sources, so it was going to be pretty consistent. The Zarya put me down, and then she must have connected to something else because her beam like almost instantly got up to the damage that it needed to and knocked me out. So I'm gonna put some extra damage on her and back up. Hold on, we need to kill this guy so he doesn't get Zenyatta. Oh! Whoa, what's wrong with my icons at the bottom? I don't play a lot of Symmetra, so sorry, but obviously I don't know which one is which. I'm thinking like right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh, what did I just get Graviton Surged?
My work is not complete.
It's a very overwhelming amount of full. Okay, it's been refunded. Okay, that's good that we missed that. I'm gonna place this down here because he's been playing pretty offensive. Oh my gosh. He's got his ult again? Oh no, the other one caught us. It's just not enough damage coming off from the team right now. And we have no tanks either. See, I'm trying to see like alright, so if you're running meta, right? If you're running a meta comp, yeah, sure. It'd be like really good. But if you're What did you think was
aligning defense system.
Dude, again? I don't know what to say about how many times he's gotten Primal Rage. I don't know what's going on, if he's like getting a ton of eliminations because we have like no tank or something, but
Intruder detected.
destroyed. Oh snap. I'm not using my photon barrier either, but you can't really use that against Winston. This guy's a monster, man. Fuck. I was stuck in setting up a turret. Oh my god, I've died so many times. Excuse my language. Curse with it. Still trying to play footsies with you, man. It's like I want to be like, we need tanks, right? But it's just not even like, I can't even say that because okay, so it looks like you can't put it in the spawn room. And now we come to the question of, is there any value at all? Because it's gonna take me a while to get over there unless I do this. Okay. Have okay, now we have a tank. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Okay, so it looks like oh, yeah, now they know that it's up there. Oh no! Oh, I'm pressing F, but the barrier's not going on. Okay.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Oh my gosh, this movement speed is like. Yes. Oh my god, okay, he's behind the photon barrier. What? Oh no, I thought it was at the edge of the... Okay, because it comes out of your left hand. You have to be, like, past the edge of something if you want to throw out the photon barrier. Oh, okay. Did it just not show up last time? Dude, the heals have been spot on though. Oh my god, if I'm not dead from this, yeah. I got pulled into a hack. I was hacked, and then... Okay, good. It looks like it's a lot more responsive today. Our team's just really doing most of the work now. I've just given them the health, really. Supporting, kind of. Yeah, that was... Shield Generator probably was just doing a lot of, like, silent work. Like, 6,000... What the... What? That's where you get your value? What? That's insane! 19,000 damage blocked? I'm gonna leave this game because what the? Dude, utilizing your cooldowns with Symmetra a lot better than I did, you're gonna be getting crazy kinds of stats like that. Holy crap. Alright, well, oh my gosh. This was just so incredibly bad and not even close to how you should be playing Symmetra. I'm pretty sure people on console can still benefit from this, so I am going to post it. But 6,000 damage is insane. That's like, with my average games of Genji, with my reflex, I get like 2,000 to 3,000, something like that. That's like 3 of those, dude. Like, holy, that is really good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if sloppy, it's so sloppy, and I died so many times. Still came out with positive KDA. And I guess it doesn't really. I mean, we were playing support on a non-meta team. Still kind of worked out. We switched to a couple of tanks. We had Zarya or either just one Zarya or Zarya and Roadhog at the end there, and it kind of just panned out like a little smoother. But yeah, and I showed you some good places for the shield generator, and unfortunately I couldn't show you on the first point like where it reaches to because I got Graviton Surge. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and this was helpful. And I'll check you guys later.